Welcome to GoodWe Training Series. Today we will take you through the Lynx Home D installation and configuration. Unboxing. Here is the Lynx Home D Series box. Here are all the items included in the box. Here are the components. Introduction of the battery. Take a look at the appearance of Lynx Home D from different views. Length is 700 mm. Width is 170 mm and the height is 380 mm. Installation of the battery. Here are the main tools prepared for the installation of Lynx Home D. The video shows all the accessories for the base mounting. Place the base firmly against the wall. Arrow pointing side against the wall. Place the battery on the base. Secure the battery to the base with the bracket. Attach the anti-tip bracket to the side of the battery. After marking the position on the wall, punch the holes with an impact drill. Install the expansion bolts into the holes. The battery is then secured to the expansion bolts. Remaining batteries are stacked in order. Batteries are secured to each other with brackets. The new battery needs to be secured to the wall by repeating the previous operation. Both the top and bottom batteries need to be connected to a ground wire. This is all the accessories in the backpack box. First, use an impact drill to drill holes in the wall. Then put in the expansion bolts. Install the bracket on the wall and tighten the expansion bolts. Install the front protection cover on the bracket. Tighten the screws around the protective cover. Attach the left and right side protectors to both sides of the wall plate. Putting the battery on the hanger. Install the guards on the left and right sides of the battery. Connect the DC cable. Prepare 2 DC wires with terminals. Connect the power cables between the batteries. Connect the power wire from the top battery to the wire we made. The other end of the cable is then connected to the inverter. Communication connection. Unscrew each of the battery's communication ports. Fit the communication cable in as shown in the video. Install both sides of the communication cable into the communication ports on the top of the lower battery and the bottom of the upper battery, respectively. Connect the other communication cable on each side to the top battery and the inverter. Install a waterproof plug in the communication port underneath the battery at the bottom. Installation of protective covers on both sides of the battery. Installation of the communication module on the inverter. Now, Lynx Home D installation is complete. The battery side protection cover has 2 wiring methods. The first method is to route the wires from the top. The second method is to route the line from the side. Turn on the battery switch and the inverter is up and running. Configuration via SolarGo. Download and open the SolarGo app. Select the Bluetooth connection mode and refresh the page. Connect with the appropriate Bluetooth signal. Once connected, you can access the home page. Click Setting. Then select Quick Settings. Enter the password 1111. Once on the page, you can see the information. By clicking Next, you can select the country and region. Next step for battery settings. Here we choose Lynx D batteries. Here we choose the self-use mode. After clicking Next, it performs a diagnostic. When the test is complete, it will indicate that the battery setup is complete. Thank you for watching. For more installation and configuration videos of GoodWe Training Series, Please visit our GoodWe community and stay tuned to our official account.